In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Dune Awakening in some simple steps so you can start playing today. So all you need to do is firstly download Steam and create an account if you don't have one already. And here at the main page you can see Dune Awakening, or you can search for it right here as well. So if you click there, you will see you can scroll down and you will have the option to buy the game. So if you add it to your card, then view my card, now continue to payment, and as you can see I have some Steam wallet balance, but I don't have enough, so I will be using my credit card to buy it. So click on continue. So right here you will see like a resume of the invoice. Click this checkbox and purchase, and now you will have this game ready on your library. So after you buy it, you have 2 hours to try the game. You can click on install content and this will begin installing the game. So choose a drive, in my case it will be this one, install, and depending on your internet speed this will take some minutes or some hours, and you have 2 hours to try the game, and if you don't like it you can start a refund process and you will get your money back. So this way is like you don't need to pay to try the game. It's like a free trial, so that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.